This is a Cleveland 2015 CNC bed mill with the Centroid control. It's got low hours on it. Looks like brand new. We just cleaned it down.
Want me to take a tool out?
Go ahead and take a tool out, yeah. We'll use the power drawbar. Okay. It's got a 9 by 49 inch table. See the quality of it? There's a work light on. Automatic lube system that you can actually, when you start it, you can hit a shot of lube. You can manually lubricate with that button, or it's automatically timed. It also has the Quill scale, which is an option on it. So as he pulls down on that, go ahead and I'll swivel over to the, it actually reads at the bottom of the control. Okay. If you want to hit the cycle start then, and you can lock that spindle since it'll be using the CNC control of the head. There's a program already in, so we're just going to run it through real quick. It's feeding on the X and the Y. The spindle came down, bracketed.
Spindle's running 3,500 RPM.
That's 3,500. I'm real close to it. Sounds excellent. It does have the MPG. You can go ahead and pull it off there if you want. The handheld MPG.
Oh.
With the USB ports. I'll walk around the machine. We can send separate pictures of anything else that you would like. That doesn't show in the video here. Pretty tight to the vertical boring on the back, so I can't get around that side. You can see the quote for the additional specifications, but everything works excellent on the machine.
You want me to put in the manual and show you this all working?
Sure. Okay, we cycle stopped in the middle of a program here. So now I just put it on the MPG.